Hello everybody, this is Peter Burgess and I'll be your instructor this term for CSPG224 Database Applications. Just a little bit about myself. I received my Master's of Science in Computer Information Systems from Regis University in Denver, Colorado in Database Technologies, and I also have a Bachelor's of Science in Finance and Accounting from the University of Arizona way back in the early 80s. So I'm well versed in both databases and the importance in business or any industry for that matter. I've been teaching with Westwood College for 20 years this September. I spent 10 years on ground in the Denver North campus and 1 year in the Anaheim campus as a full-time CIS instructor. I've been teaching online for about 12 years now, and I'm one of the first instructors to teach online for Westwood College. I'm also the CIS resident faculty for Mojave Community College here in Lake Havasu City, and teach a variety of courses, CIS courses, some business courses, including computer applications, web design, networking, and of course database applications. And this course will cover the analysis and design of databases, and then we'll move into the physical creation of the databases using the Access program. Microsoft Access is a relational database which is part of Microsoft's Office suite and is very friendly to use once you get the basics down. However, databases are not like any other program you've used before, as they deal with many objects including tables, forms, reports, and queries, and offer a lot more functionality than many other programs when you're working with large quantities of data. To start the course, if you could go into the Getting Started tab and post in the introduction thread so we can get to know each of you. And please make sure to check out the different tabs on the left side of your screen, initially focusing on the Announcement and Getting Started tabs, as this is where I'll be communicating with you and where you can get an overview of the course and the policies around the course. Make sure to read the syllabus completely, as all of the assignments, due dates, etc. are specified in those pages. Also, when you first start, make sure to review the project requirements, as there will be 2 project assignments for this course, and they will come before you know it. This course moves very quickly, so try to keep up with the projects in advance. Upon reviewing the top area and its tabs on the left side of your screen, move into the Week 1 tab, and you'll see the different areas of each week, which will be similar from week to week, which will include an introduction, tasks, lecture, multimedia, assignments, and finally the weekly discussion. Some weeks will actually have a quiz or a test, so you might want to prepare for that and take the test sometime before Sunday night. You must post initially in the weekly discussion by Wednesday of each week, and then follow up with 2 additional posts responding to 2 others posts or more additional posts on the topic by Sunday of each week. So the first post is due initially on Wednesday at midnight, and then 2 additional posts either responding to someone else or just responding to the topic by Sunday of each week in order to potentially get full credit for the discussion thread. There are some rules posted about the discussion threads in the syllabus, so make sure that you read those about the requirements in order to get full credit. Please do take time to go through the lectures and click on the other links to review other sources of information. For week 1, we will have you construct your first entity relationship diagram, or what we call an ERD, and a data dictionary, given the list of tables and fields, putting each field into the appropriate table, and then transferring some information you learned from the ERD into the data dictionary, where you will add the data types, the sizes, and the other information about each of the fields. Although these are mainly used to introduce you to the idea of analysis and design, there is not necessarily only one right answer. There are many different possibilities for each particular design. So you may have a different answer than someone else on this first 2 assignments, the ERD and the data dictionary, but as long as you meet the requirements of both of those, that will be fine. Please take the time to really understand the process, as this will be critical in your understanding of how relational databases work. And yes, even Access works this way because Access is a relational database, and it is very important to understand how the tables are built, how the fields are put in the tables, how the relationships are created between the tables, allowing us to pull data from more than one table at a time. Moving on into week 2, you'll find that some weeks have quizzes, so you may want to preview the whole week for due dates, assignments, etc. on the first day. Anyway, I think this is enough to get you started on your first day. So first of all, of course, make sure you post an introduction thread in the introductions, which you can find under Getting Started. Other than that, I think that you're all good to go, and I just wanted to introduce myself to you. Have a great term, and remember that I'm here to help you if you get stuck on an assignment or need a quick answer. You can text me at my phone number, 928-230-8207, or you can email me, or you can even call, and I will get back to you as soon as practical. I do teach full-time for another campus. I usually teach in the afternoons and the evenings though, so the best time to catch me is Monday through Friday during the mornings, or you can catch me on the weekend if you want to. But Monday through Friday, preferably before noon, would be best for me. And right at the present time, I am on Pacific Standard Time. So even though I'm in Arizona, I'm on Pacific Standard Time, which is 1 hour difference from Colorado. Okay, well, thank you very much for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you in the threads. And please let me know if I can be of any assistance to you. Thank you.